Day 56. I haven't been recording lately, it's been a week. No one's going to believe me once I find this thing, but once I do, I'm not going to be crazy anymore, that's for sure.
Wherever I have gone, wherever I've been and gone.
Last week I ran into this interesting bird. I thought we were friends. Turns out the thing started secretly eating my food. I was looking away, probably sharpened sticks or something put in the ground. I killed it. Now I feel really alone.
Not drinking, baby, you are on my mind. When I'm not sleeping, mama. When I ain't sleeping, mama. When I'm not sleeping, you'll find me.
Those markers I place around those sticks, I know they don't look like much, but every time I see one, it gives me memories of how I got to this place, why I'm here.
Another town, wherever I have gone, wherever I've been and gone, wherever I have gone.
My revolver.
I'm following down.
Found it. It's been getting pretty rusty lately. Haven't been able to clean it. Antique though. Might sell for a couple of bucks. I don't know.
Wherever I have played, whenever I throw them dice, wherever I have played the blues, never run again.
That's not the goal. I need to find this thing. I know it's here somewhere. I've been seeing sightings all around this area posted on little poster boards. I don't know if it's kids or if it's real. I'm gonna find it. Maybe my wife will get back to me when I do. That's all for now.
Let your boat to England, baby, maybe to Spain. Wherever I have gone, wherever I've been and gone, wherever I have gone, the blues are all the same.
New day, new stick planted.
They'll be kissing and hugging. You might even hold me tight, but not everything is gonna be alright. For success might fade while the third world shines, but not everything is gonna be just fine. Someday you might forsake what is real for what is fake. Maybe that ain't gonna make everything A-okay. I wanna put down my gun. I've done had enough of this dumb revolution.
When they cut my flesh, they had the bandage. When they cut me a check, they
on, two Sasquatch. Come on. I'll get right here for you. Show your face. Come on, Sasquatch. Day 83. I saw sightings of the Sasquatch. This was close to catching it. Killed a man. Then tasted it. I've been seeing things recently that I can't even explain. I'm sleep deprived. Hungry. This isn't worth it anymore. I don't even know.
Come on! Who's there? Come on! Come on, find me! Come on! Please! Come at me, I dare you! Come here! Come here!
Wondering and waiting, my back against the wall. Not a word that passed between us comes to call. Just your shadow on the window and your step on down the hall. You never wanted me, babe. You never knew me at all. I haven't any picture to set before my eyes. Nothing to blame when the blues start to rise. Just a memory of laughter and the living out of lies. And if I could change my ways, babe,